Hello everyone, in this class we are going to learn about After Effects 3D camera. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, create a new composition and now let's import something for animate this. Let's create a surface just like that, and we can change the color of the surface from here, fill. And I'm going with a dark black like this, and now add a shape layer. Star. First of all, make sure guys you enable your 3D and again add your shape layer like this, and change the shape layer from blue. Alright, and here is a human error, and if you create any shape layer inside the shape layer, that means you created a mask like this. You can show here a polystar and a rectangle. You should delete the star and deselect the shape layer 1. Now if you create your star, now it's create in shape layer 2, not in the max of shape layer 1. Alright, and again now let's import some photos, pictures from, I'm going with this. Alright, and enable the 3D camera of all the layers. Now select your first shape layer and press R in your rotation, and in x-axis degrees go with 90 degree. Alright, and increase the view from second view. Now we can show the clearly from here. Change the view part from top view, front, I think back, now right, bottom, top view. Okay, alright guys, press P in your and drag it like this. We can also drag it from here from in Z direction. Alright, our surface is ready. Now let's make it more smoother. Go in custom view, in this one go in custom view. Now we can show clearly, and here is our star, and increase here like this, and our picture here like this, scale down bit more, and now add a camera. And in previous class we learned about one node camera, and in this class we are going to learn about two node camera. Alright, and enable depth of field. Depth of field means zoom level, that means blur, means also known as portrait. Alright, and again I'm going with 35 mm lens. Alright, hit OK, and alright guys, our camera is ready. Now if we move our camera, then we can clearly show the animation here. And if you can notice, in previous camera there is nothing, but in this camera there is a straight line, that's called a point of interest. Alright guys, that's a point of interest, that means we are focusing that object. Alright, now let's animate this. We are animating like this. So first focus in star, then our camera move like this. Alright, and again move like this, and then focus in this, and all the things are blurred then. Alright, now let's animation, and in this preview panel make sure you on your camera 1, so we can clearly see what our camera saying. Alright, and go in position. First of all, make sure your camera is a bit backward in Z direction like this, and this is the point of interest of our camera. Alright, and we can clearly show there is a one more triangle in this camera, that's called a focus. That's called depth of field. That means our camera focusing in what object, that means subject. And we can increase the focus from here like this. Alright, and now it's the time to aperture. And if you have DSLR guys, you know about what is aperture. And when we increase the aperture, that means our landscape is how much open. Alright, we can clearly show the background is gonna blur and the star is focus. Alright, and now let's animate this. Press P in your I just changed the name of our camera. Let's again in the same name, camera 1, and press P in your keyboard and add an initial keyframe, and in after 5 seconds add a final keyframe like this, and press R also. Oh shit, press U and shift plus R. Alright, and add an initial keyframe. And first of all deselect your camera, then move it like this, and change the point of interest from here to here. Alright, and go in final keyframe and add our camera in rotate like this. First of all, we also made one more mistake, that's a final position. Alright, and we just need to initial position of. We just need to comfortable for this camera, and first of all delete all the keyframes. Press U and here we can adjust the focus of the camera. Alright, we just forgetted the keyframe in the focus. Add a keyframe in focus also. Now press U in your camera. Now everything is done right. Now let's drag our camera in backward direction, so it's look like this. Alright, and after 10 seconds our camera moves like this. Alright, and just change the focus here like this. I think my computer is going a bit harder, it's struggling to render preview. That's okay, guys. We just need to add this focus here. Okay, I think it's gonna crash again. Alright guys, and our animation is ready. Now we just need to select all the keyframes, press F9 for easy ease, and go in graph editor like this. Alright, and make a graph smoother. Make a graph smoother like this one, this one also, middle pointed. Alright, middle pointed, and I don't know guys why my computer are going harder, and it's very struggling to load the preview, and our animation look like this. When you load your preview, then it's After Effects going more smoother, but my computer lagging much. Alright guys, and our animation is ready, and that's a OneNote camera. And again, I'm trying to say, please practice at least 20 minutes in your day for mastering this software. And again, in OneNote camera there is nothing, but in TwoNote camera we can show the depth of field and focus distance. That's very important. Alright, and it's time to end this season. And in previous class, and next class we are going to learn about again camera, TwoNote camera, but in advanced level. Alright, and bye bye, tata, see you, sayonara.